Guys, welcome back to my channel, Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm going to do a firmware update video. So another firmware is available for my Model Y. I'm just gonna show you a short video on this. I'm just gonna update my car. I'm gonna let you know what's in this update. So let's go check it out. So I got this icon for the software update. It's ready, so let's click that. It's gonna update it at 2 o'clock in the AM, but I can't wait that long. The version is going to be 2021.12.25.7. It will take approximately 25 minutes to install. So let's see. Let's install now. Not scheduled. I'm gonna install it right now. So it's gonna take 2 minutes. I get to 2 minutes to cancel this update, but I'm not canceling. Let's update this car and see what new features in it. Okay, so the update is done. I'm actually driving to work right now, but as you see, its update is 2021.12.25.7. It's done. I thought it was gonna be a major update, but it's not. It's just a Skyforce reloaded new arcade game. And there's a new language support, which is Hey and C Dravo. I don't know, maybe it's a Croatian language and some kind of European language. Anyway, that's all about it. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I know it's a very short video and probably look like it's a clickbait. I mean, what can I do? It's just a small update. So but anyway, it doesn't matter is it big or small. I'm happy with all this update. I get it. I feel like I'm driving a new car every day. So anyway, I'll be coming with another new video. Till then, it's me, Aldos. But if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing my channel. I'll be uploading the videos of all these new firmware updates and all other Tesla videos. And if you check my channel, you can see all other videos too. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.